Okay, so today I went to Popeyes Chicken, just hungry for chicken, especially Popeyes. 3 pieces of large white meat chicken, macaroni and cheese, a soda, a biscuit, and guess what? They ran out of coleslaw. They ran out of coleslaw. That was what I went there for. Not really. But I did order a classic chicken sandwich for $6.99. Guess what? Didn't get it. Wasn't in the bag. It was 31 minutes to get up to the window. Crazy. If you want Popeye's chicken, it's good. However, the line's long and you missed half your order. What the heck? Happy Mother's Day.